welcome. We're glad you're here.
The professors here really care. Not only do they look after you your 4 years here, but they also care about your success after college as well. And I just think that's something that you don't get at every school, and that's just something that makes Monmouth so special.
I know it's like different from other schools because here I can see my friends like twice, 3 times a day, even just walking by like to go to classes.
Monmouth is just very community-based, it's very homey, and it's my home away from home.
We offer a great combination of opportunities for students. So it's a welcoming environment, it's a place where people can find their niche. There's lots of things for students to do, whether they're in theater or they're in athletics or they want to work in a laboratory and get research experience, there are those opportunities there for them.
It's a place where you can feel comfortable, you can feel safe, you can trust all the people that you are in the community with. It's a place for discovering yourself, for figuring out who you are, where you want to go, and there's so much support.
You find students who are coming from many different states. There are international students, there are faculty who are from various parts of the world. And so in this small community, we have really lots of diversity. And I think that that's what makes Monmouth a very rich experience.
A lot of times as we were growing up, we're told what to do, we're told what to think, we're told what to learn. And I think as you come into college, you have an opportunity to figure out what is it that you want to study. How is it that you want to view the world? How is it that you want to spend your time?
What is it that keeps you going? What is it that brings you joy? What is it that you do civically? How do you interact with people? You know, if you write well, speak well, think well, solve problems, have some confidence, you know, talk to people, what can't you do? You're unstoppable.